Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Chester, and today I want to talk to you about some very important information here. We're going to be going through the crucial DCA buying levels for Dog with Hat, Doge, and also Shib. Okay, so three very important meme coins that have very profitable situations that are happening right now. The reasoning that I'm doing these videos, guys, is because the crypto markets are absolutely nuking right now. And if you're on the right side of this, yes, our spot bags are bleeding. It's not that great, but what it does do, it puts us in a position, a favorable position, as to where we can actually make some pretty good profit by accumulating supply of these tokens. Okay, so let's go through these three tokens with Doge and Shib and break them down for some very important levels where we as a community, as a team, can be making the most profit. So starting off with WIF. Okay, so WIF at the moment, guys, as you can see, just looking at market structure here, these are lovely yellow lines. These are confirmed higher lows, if you were wondering. And you can see right now, we're actually testing a very important higher low in terms of the market structure. This is the most recent confirmed higher low. And essentially what this means, guys, as long as we're above this, okay, we're not getting candle body closes below it, we're not coming down to the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. As long as we're above it, we're bullish. We're in a bullish market structure. Right now, as you can see, we're pretty much sat on it, okay? As you can see, this is the previous buy zone that we did speak about here on this channel, and you can see, obviously, massive gains made from that. Really nice stuff. But what I would be talking about now for WIF is going to be this area right now as a potential buy zone, guys. This is very super strong, and I'm going to be waiting for now, okay? The reasoning why and the reasoning behind this is because we need to wait for the volume weighted ATR bands here. We need to wait for us to cross to the upside above the hourly and the 4 hour. And basically from this area, it's a golden long, a golden move to the upside. As you can see here from previous PA price action there, when we clear these bad boys to the upside here, it's usually quite lucrative, okay, every single time pretty much. It just bangs it really nice after being below them for a significant amount of time. So what are we waiting for here? We're waiting to clear these to the upside here, and then we're going to be looking for a lovely long position here on WIF, probably worth around 8% to the upside or something along the lines of that. But yes, this buy zone is looking pretty goddamn juicy. And the reason why I do have it down here at this point in time, guys, is because I do think we're going to trend around this area for a while, and then the 60-minute volume weighted ATR band, the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band will have time to come down, and this is where our buy zone will be, and then we can be looking at a lovely long position up for probably maybe 10, 8, 9% or something along the lines of that, right? So that is what I would say about WIF. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about that potential buying area, and whether you think it's a smart move buying WIF, DCAing into this dirty bloodbath of a market that we are experiencing right now. And I will jump, while you're doing that in the comment section, I will jump over to Doge. Dogecoin is the same, guys. It's absolutely nuking off a goddamn cliff right now, okay? We've seen price retractions from the trend line from the high of this bull market right now, all the way down of around 28% in terms of a retracement. That's pretty goddamn ugly, okay? I mean, for Dogecoin, we know how well this bad boy can recover, and you can see on my chart here that I've actually got an alert set in, okay? I've got an alert set in because if we're looking at strong areas of momentum, bullish momentum, may I confirm, bullish, you can see here, and here are very strong areas that we can't be overlooking here, guys. We can't be overlooking because the momentum here is obviously ridiculous. It's absolutely crazy from these zones. Stupid percentages there. So basically, what does that tell us? It tells us that this is the area that we need to be looking out for there. That's why I've got my alert set there. And basically, if we are going to zoom in here on more of the micro time frame to get a bit of a better gauge here, we can look at the 60-minute and the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band yet again, guys, because we know what happens when we cross them after being below them or trading alongside them. We see potentially a lovely little move to the upside, okay? So essentially using that level of support that we were just talking about here in terms of previous price action, the volume weighted ATR bands as well. This will be my buying zone for Doge, and basically using that as a nice long point there to be taken advantage of, depending on how low this goes. If this keeps going down, guys, I will probably just be looking for a buy off the 12-hour volume weighted ATR band. This is usually quite reliable when finding bounces. On other assets, haven't really seen on Doge for a hot minute. You can see the 12-hour volume weighted ATR band is this bad boy coming down here. Really strong bounce there on the old Doge boy. Okay, so moving across now to, so that's going to be your buy zone for Doge. Let me know in the comment section what you think of that. Moving across to a bit of Fibonacci, a bit of a Shib here, and you can see we do have a falling parallel channel, guys. Buying zone for Shib for myself is actually a bit lower, guys, because you can see we do have a very strong parallel channel, falling parallel channel, tend to usually break to the upside, but what we're looking for now is basically a bit more continuation to the downside for this meme coin and playing off this lovely, lovely bounce between the daily volume weighted ATR band and the 12-hour volume weighted ATR band. That in terms of a price here is going to be around 1 cent 57 all the way up to around 16962. Okay, so it's a trade worth around 7.8%, and you can see the trend line that we have seen in terms of support from this previous price action as well. Very, very clean, very, very nice indeed. Now, the reason why this is going to be such a profitable, lucrative position, guys, is because we have been nuking. Okay, we have been base jumping off a cliff for so long now, since Shib actually tried to test actually broke market structure here, coming down for this retracement. We've actually seen a 46% retracement from this high. Crazy. Okay, so that basically shows there's plenty of room for growth. What is 7.8% if we are looking for a bounce? And let's be real, guys, if we do a little invert the chart here, if we just do that, where is that? Where is that? That's invert scale. Here we go. Yeah, as you can see here, guys, it's exactly the same here. If we flip the chart the other way, Shib going up like so, all we need is a simple retracement. It can't go parabolic either way here without a significant retracement. So as you can see, there's obviously downside here, but if you look at it from a bullish standpoint, we're going to have a retracement. Okay, that retracement is looking like it's going to perfectly line up here with all these volume weighted ATR bands and these lovely, lovely levels to be looking out for there. Now, that is going to be it from me regarding this video, guys. Let me know what you think about the TA and the buying levels that I've spoke about here. And if you guys want to get involved with some pre-sales, some juicy 100x pre-sales, make sure you go to the link in the description. There's some really, really profitable ones in there that I've just bought so many bags of. Stupid, man. But yeah, totally overexposed in those pre-sales, but they look really, really good, and I'm super bullish on them. So let me know what you think in the comment section of them as well. That's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.